Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step comparison between Mailchimp and Klaviyo. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. When it comes to email marketing, Mailchimp has long been a favorite among small to medium-sized businesses due to its ease of use and approachable interface. Designed for those just starting their email marketing journey, Mailchimp offers a wide range of templates, basic automation tools, and simple customer segmentation features, making it perfect for businesses with general marketing needs. Its drag-and-drop editor and intuitive dashboard enable even non-tech savvy users to create professional-looking campaigns with minimal effort. Mailchimp's pricing structure is also one of its standout advantages, featuring an accessible free plan and affordable paid options, allowing small businesses and startups to scale their email marketing without breaking the bank. For those who need an all-in-one marketing platform to send newsletters, manage subscribers, and track basic campaign performance, Mailchimp is an excellent, cost-effective choice. On the other hand, Klaviyo is specifically designed with e-commerce businesses in mind, offering powerful tools that focus on data-driven marketing and advanced customer segmentation. Klaviyo's seamless integration with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify allows businesses to tap into detailed customer data, enabling them to create highly personalized and automated campaigns based on user behavior. For example, businesses can send targeted emails for abandoned carts, product recommendations, or follow-up emails after purchases, which can significantly boost customer retention and sales. Klaviyo's automation flows are highly customizable, giving marketers the flexibility to tailor their messaging for different customer segments with precision. Although its pricing is higher than Mailchimp, the platform's ability to drive revenue through smarter, more personalized marketing often justifies the cost for growing e-commerce brands. For businesses that prioritize performance marketing and maximizing sales through email, Klaviyo is the clear choice for delivering effective, highly targeted campaigns. I'm offering a free email list building course in the description below, where you can learn how my team and I generate over $80K in commissions while growing our email list. The training is completely free right now, so don't miss your chance to check it out. Thanks for watching.